Siquijor Island in the Philippines has been voted by TripAdvisor as one of the top islands in the world. But who's to say that will still be true in 2022? Come and see Siquijor Island before everyone else finds out about it. Visit Siquijor Island in 2022. Hello everyone and welcome to Zen Tours. Now I will be posting a couple of videos featuring Siquijor this 2022, and in this video I will be exploring Cambugahay Falls, one of the most famous tourist attractions here in Siquijor. And it's a very quick walking tour, just really exploring the place. So come and join me as I tour around the falls and see its current situation this 2022. The falls are not nearly as crowded as they were before the pandemic, and I believe it was also a good thing because it provided an opportunity for, nature to heal and relive. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and hit that like button. And if you want to see my future videos, please click that bell icon to get notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.